Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need: a MacBook Air with Touch ID and your account password. First, wake or power on the machine and sign in. Once done, open System Settings and select Touch ID. You'll be asked to authenticate with your password before proceeding. That step prevents unauthorized changes. Make sure your finger is clean and dry, then click Add Fingerprint to start the capture. This begins the secure process that maps your fingerprint to unlock only your Mac. You'll repeat a set of presses and lifts while the Mac captures different parts of your finger. This makes the template robust. As you lift and rest, slightly rotate or shift the fingertip so the sensor records multiple angles and edges. Once the scan reaches completion, name the fingerprint so you remember which finger you used. Then enable the specific uses you want, unlocking the Mac, authorizing Apple Pay, or buying from the App Store, so Touch ID works where you. After enrollment, lock your Mac or close the lid and then open it to test Touch ID. Tap the sensor to unlock. If it works, you're done. If not, make sure Mac OS requires a password after restart for security and consider adding a second fingerprint for backups. If the sensor doesn't respond, clean the area, reboot, then remove and re-enroll that fingerprint. If problems persist, try an SMC reset or contact Apple support. These steps resolve most hardware or firmware hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.